Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was so sick of picking up wet bath towels that my teenagers left on the bathroom floor. We were in desperate need of a towel rack in their bathroom, and I absolutely love this towel rack from Livelab. Not only is this towel rack beautiful to look at, it's also easy to hang and very functional with its 6 hooks. It was perfect for wet bath towels, their robes, or wet bathing suits from the pool. This rack comes in 4 different beautiful colors. I chose the bronze to match my bathroom decor, and the color is vibrant and beautiful. I like how durable this is. I needed something that would withstand teenager abuse, and this towel rack has definitely withstood everything my kids have thrown at it, and it still looks beautiful. It has no chipped paint, and the letters and the hooks are not bent in any way. Overall, we are very happy to have this towel rack in our home. It helps keep us organized, and it keeps our house looking tidy, and I think that you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.